If you're applying for a partner visa for Australia, keep listening to learn about social evidence and 3 important things you should include in your application. I'm Joanna, I'm a registered migration agent, and I'm here to help you and your spouse or partner live your happy and secure future together in Australia. Before we get into it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and download our free partner visa guide. The link is in the description. Now, by social evidence, I mean the social evidence of your relationship that you include in your Australian partner visa application that shows the decision maker that you are in a genuine relationship with your spouse or de facto partner. Social proof is kind of like Google reviews, which rate your relationship as real. This is the part of the application where you show that your friends, family, and people in the community know you and see you as a couple. I'm going to talk about 3 kinds of social evidence that are worth including in your application. The first is 2 main statements. When we talk about social proof or social evidence, your application requires 2 people who are over 18 who know you both and know your relationship to vouch for your relationship and provide their contact details in your application. These people also write a statement to support your relationship. They can do it on the Form 888. They can also write a statutory declaration. We have samples of the kinds of statements friends, family members, and community members can write in our relationship statement guide. The link is in the description. So that's the first thing, your 2 main statements. Your second thing is additional statements. Now, along with the 2 main statements that we've already talked about, we also see couples include a wide range of evidence supporting the social nature of their relationship. Statements of support can be written by family members, which could include parents, children, siblings, etc. It can include things like, I've seen super cute pictures drawn by young children that have been included in applications. There are other people who can write statements like friends, flatmates if you share a house, employers if they know you both and know your relationship. Essentially, anyone who knows you as a couple and can support your relationship and state and from their experience that it's genuine and real. We see statements from community members like religious leaders, sports coaches, or other leaders or members of social clubs and organisations. Some couples have large families and wide circles of friends, and everyone is keen to show they care by writing a statement. Other people have a smaller circle of family and friends, and that's okay too. Social proof is not a popularity contest. It's about showing that the people who know you also know that you're a couple and they know that your relationship is genuine. If you're wondering what people could or should include in the statements, see the link in the description to purchase our relationship statement guide, which includes samples that you can give to family and friends to give them an idea of what they can say. So, we've talked about the 2 main statements and the additional statements. Now, a third kind of social evidence or social proof is photos. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and while a picture won't get you a visa, it does give the decision maker a face to put to your names. Remember, your application will be decided by someone behind a computer screen who will never meet you, most likely. We don't want them to meet you. So photos really put a human face on your application, and they show the decision maker that the relationships that you have with friends and family are real. Now, I've recorded a separate video about photo evidence which you might want to watch. And plus, who doesn't love a cute baby pic or a fun travel montage? Please keep in mind that every couple is unique and that this is general information only. And of course, for individual advice that relates to your unique circumstances, please use the link in the bio to schedule a call to get started. Good luck collecting social evidence for your partner visa for Australia.